Implants for dental purposes have grown to be an increasingly popular and efficient method to fix damaged teeth and to improve your smile. Did you know there are a variety implant types for dental use? In this short video, we'll look at the different kinds of dental implants as well as their distinct advantages. 1. Endosteal implants. Endosteal implants are among the most popular kind of dental implant that are used in the present. Implants are placed surgically directly in the jawbone, which provides a sturdy and solid base for the artificial teeth. Implants for endosteal use are usually constructed of titanium that is biocompatible and fuses with the bone, creating an incredibly secure connection. This kind of implant is suitable for those who have a bone mass to hold the implant. 2. Subperiosteal implants. Subperiosteal implants are less popular, but still a viable option for those who don't have a healthy jawbone that can accommodate endosteal implants. Instead of being inserted directly in the jawbone, subperiosteal implants are installed over the bone, however they are placed beneath the gum tissues. A frame made of metal is put over the jawbone and prosthetic teeth are connected with the framework. Subperiosteal implants can be a great alternative for those who are not suitable for conventional implants because of the loss of bone or any other issue. 3. All-on-4 implants. All-on-4 implants are a special kind of dental implant that can be used to substitute the entire arch of teeth. The procedure involves putting 4 implants at strategic places within the jawbone to provide an entire arch of synthetic teeth. Implants that are all-on-4 are great for those who lost several teeth or severe damage to their teeth and require an option that is more durable as opposed to traditional dentures. The type of implant that can also be a viable alternative for those with inadequate bone mass to support each implant. 4. Zygomatic implants. Zygomatic implants are a different kind of dental implant that is utilized when conventional implants aren't an alternative due to reduction in bone density within the jaw's upper region. Instead of being inserted into the jawbone, zygomatic implants are fixed into zygomatic bone. This is more dense and offers an extra secure base to the implants. Zygomatic implants can be a great alternative for those who have been told that they aren't suitable for conventional implants because of bone loss within the jaw's upper region. 5. Mini dental implants. Mini implants for dental use are less invasive and less bulky than conventional implants, which makes an ideal choice for those with little space or bone density within their jaw. Mini implants are usually utilized to support dentures or bridges and are able to be fitted using less surgical procedures than conventional implants. Mini dental implants can be an excellent option for those looking to reap the benefits of implants, however do not have the bone mass to support the larger implants. There are many different kinds of dental implants that can enhance your smile and the health of your mouth. If you require a simple tooth replacement or an entire set of dental implants, there's an option for dental implants suitable for your needs. Talk to your dentist about how you can find the most suitable dental implant that meets your specific requirements and then get ready to restore your smile.